In this short tutorial, you will learn how to circle crop a video using the CapCut app. Circle cropping allows you to focus on a specific subject or object in your video by removing the surrounding background. So make sure to watch this video until the very end to understand the tutorial properly. To get started, open up the CapCut app, and then let's start a new project. Tap and select the video clip where you want to add the circle crop effect. Once you've imported the video to the timeline, tap on that video to select it. And now you'll see these options at the bottom. Just swipe these options to the left until you see an option called Mask. Once you've found it, tap on it. All you have to do next is tap and select the circle option. As you can see, the circle crop has been added to my video. You can move this anywhere you want, and you can also change the size of this circle crop. This is exactly how you can circle crop a video using the CapCut app. So that wraps up this tutorial. If you have any questions about this whole process, please let me know in the comments section below.